Here's 2 tips that you can use for your LinkedIn network and in regards to one-on-one messaging. Tip number 1, the very first time you connect with someone on LinkedIn, use some statement or some words in there to remind yourself and them, how did you meet, who introduced you, and why did you connect. That really will pay huge dividends years later when you're looking at that LinkedIn member and wondering why you connected with them. Tip number 2 is if you meet a group of people at a networking event, a conference, a seminar, a trade show, or anywhere, when you message those folks through LinkedIn and maybe even through email, put a hashtag or a handle. Years later, you can find all of those LinkedIn messaging or all of that email based on that handle, and you can bring all that messaging up and look for ways to re-engage with those individuals. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are useful for you.